Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Academic Video Online, also known as AVON, to find credible videos for your assignments. Academic Video Online is a library database that gives you access to thousands of academic videos, including documentaries, interviews, newsreels, and educational films. In some cases, you can even find full-length feature movies on there. All of the content is reliable, and just about all of it is appropriate for research, so it's a better option than using random videos online. To get to AVON, you're going to want to start at the Bakersfield College homepage. First, click Services and Resources, scroll down and click Library, and then scroll down and click Research, and down here, you're going to want to click Find all of our databases with A to Z databases. And since it's already alphabetical, you can just scroll down here to find Academic Video Online. It's listed as an audio-visual source here. So click that. And in order to actually get to the collection available to us, you first need to go to the little My Collections tab here and click Academic Video Online Premium. And you can dive right into the channels available, the collections, or if you decide to make your own account on AVON, you can also access learning tools or educational resources as well. So you can start from there or scroll down here and click Browse or Search Academic Video Online. So once you're in the database here, you can use the main search bar to look up your topic. You can look through a current channel, you could look through all videos, you could look through channels specifically. So for example, I'm just going to type American Civil War. So here we have plenty of videos here. There are keywords and subjects we can filter through on the left-hand side here. We can also scroll down to look at the content types available to us, whether they are documentaries, newsreels, interviews, news stories, instructional materials, and many more. You could also search by the publisher, so who published the resource. And if you were to start from looking up the American Civil War, you could look for a channel of it as opposed to all the videos, because this is a curated collection. That'll be a good place to start. You can start from Civil War combat, journals, the American Civil War here. So again, we could filter through limiters on the left-hand side, or we can just scroll down here. You can also sort by title, the date, oldest or newest. And just to show you what it looks like when you open a video, this is what you will see. So you'll get a little bit of information on the video, where it was originally published, how long it is, more details here, related videos. And to play it, you would hit play. You can also cite it, which will be very important should you use any of these videos in your work. So you can generate citations here in various different styles: APA, Chicago, MLA. Although I do recommend that you double check those. These are not 100% correct all the time, so they might need to be fixed. And additionally, you can share the video if you wanted to copy a link, embed it elsewhere, or put it into an assignment, presentation perhaps. And if you make an account, you can also create playlists, which is another additional feature. And just to show you what it looks like, so you can search through the transcript, which is very helpful. I'm just going to pause this here. So we have the entire transcript here, so you can read through it if you want. You could jump to certain areas
attacked
in
a
the
federal
video.
garrison in South Carolina.
You could also search it, find more details here again, and additional features should you want to make an account. You can make clips and compilations of different videos and even use interactions if you're an educator. So that's it for academic video online. It's pretty basic, pretty straightforward to use. But if you do need any help finding sources, or you're not sure how to cite them, or what might be considered authoritative or not for your assignment, feel free to reach out to the library. We're here to help.